Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the electrical circuit on the hot wire. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the handle. Now I'll remove the switch from the housing, and I'll remove the wires from the switch. Now I can install the new switch. I'll reconnect the wires and reinstall the switch into the handle. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's all it takes to install a new switch on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.